had one that worked. Why do we think that worked?
Because they wrapped in cotton.
Yep.
Oh.
So good. It's different. It was different than everyone else, wasn't it? All right, why do you think so?
Because me and Will's plan works because I said to use this, and he says to use the straws for a landing, and both of ours plans worked because I poked holes through it, and now the eggs were super protected, and it did not break in level 2.
Okay,
The difference was just
so when we had
just.
okay, so we had the. All right, just a second. Okay, so when we were talking about the egg by itself, it broke, and that was because there wasn't any padding around it. And their plan worked because they had cotton that went all the way around the egg, and so it really padded it. Now we talked about what was mentioned before was force and gravitation. And so gravitational pull is actually what it is. Gravitation doesn't push down, it actually pulls, and it pulls you to the earth. It's why you don't float away from the earth, and that's what pulls the egg to just drop straight down. So, and then, do you remember how we stood up here and we got higher? Why did we get higher? What does that do? I don't even know your name.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Why did they get higher?
Yeah, like why did they have to go higher up? What happens as they get higher?
Because it's like if they stay down low, everybody wouldn't break because it doesn't go faster down.
Good job. Yep. All right, so what we learned today, and that's called momentum. And the momentum gets faster the higher up you go because of gravitational pull. All right, and so those are our last questions as far as the science behind it. Does anyone have any questions about it?
Who's gonna eat the eggs?
Well, I was thinking maybe you could take home a scramble for dinner.
Yeah, that's gonna be my
With cotton.
No, I'm gonna rip off the cotton.
That's right. All right, so today what did we learn?
I chucked it last. I get it.
All right, everyone, stop talking. What did we learn today?
I get it. It's just egg. My gosh. You're gonna eat the cotton? Yeah. Your sandwich, right? Because if you get to eat the cotton, you get to eat the egg. Like ours did, it would have smashed the whole thing. It would only be just.
All right, so that's the end of our lesson. You guys can get started on the next one, okay? What's your question?